sama tolu ke lata mo crash. To mention na to get to hana ni nakaila mention it from before, so I just yeah. Long ito matatuloy pa, or naman natin yeah. Yeah. Okay, so we have full staff. Yay, we have so that's a very
And two
big
managers.
improvement from last year. And Iki assessment tool. We have secure funding for our third room. Also strengthen our relationship with our pay village and also our pay increase.
Thank you.
Okay, for me, 1 minute.
Very good, very good.
From school, we highlight the secure funding for the special needs unit. We RTLD visit. We're on talking the play hub. Tama tunahua ya ni fefere to fano kufika mwandiai. Growth of students in special needs. Siya todo po ang whole day. Teachers Day party. I think that's every term. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And
fundraiser there.
Activities and education.
Thank you, Def.
For NHS, we have the school sports, annual school sports, and a cultural event every 2 or 2. Our year visit, and then we have NCA new standards that for highlights last year. And we also have rugby students representative. Yeah.
Thank you.
Challenges for 2024 is for Chris, it's not enough leaves. Majority of our staff, we have little children and they get sick all the time because the property there is not very well furnished, so our kids get sick all the time. And then on top of us, we get sick from the kids. So we hope we get more leaves or more soil or just more hay so we can be well enough hay. Take care of the kids because we have a big pay now. And also the challenge is role and duties. We have a changeover of management last year and the year before, so we're still struggling figuring out the roles, who to turn to when it comes to authority stuff. And for and primary school and ECE and also NHS, we have personal challenges, which is a big thing for us is BUDGET budget. It's a very low on budget here. Both schools regarding our resources and also challenging for us is punctuality. Everyone is coming. Some of us are late. And also
So we want to pay right. We always late. Okay.
I'll go for 2025 for Fana. We wish to have more financial support regarding for resources for our children.
Late? No.
To get more digital, like laptops or iPads, instead of us writing everything down on a piece of paper, to just get with the world and also. And also better structure with our outdoor area, a level ground for our school, so our children and our teachers can run around outside. So the teachers don't trick the highway, they run outside. We are not getting younger. Yeah, so yeah, and also a new playground age appropriate for our children. Available one for home, Kmart one.
That's a lot.
Thank you.
Thank you.